Good morning, friends. Nalinakshi Swami coming with this liquidity, injection, and inducement. So, as a thumb rule, what is happening in the market? There should be 4 or 5 candles as a thumb rule of 3 candles and 4 candles after a huge fall. Liquidity after this liquidity is injected into the market. See, after the fall, a green candle will come, and this is liquidity injection. And after the injection, the inducement will take place. So there will be ping pong trades in this within the range. It will not be after a huge fall, it will not be a immediate reversal or anything. Ping pong trade will be there and a huge range will be there. So I'm going to talk about how to trade this ping pongs and liquidity injection and inducement. So I'm going to talk about this. See, it is a case study of HDFC Bank. When HDFC Bank started falling, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 actually. When it started falling, liquidity was injected here because green candle has come, injected into the market, and ping pong started. So this is the range actually. You have to take the candle of this red candle. Red candle high is 1375 and price started moving up, 2 candles up, and then it came down, and this trapped this was the range actually, range from 1312 to 1375. Then you can see 2 candles here and 2 candles down. See this candle pushed below the level of 1312 to form the low of 1311. So this is the manipulation. Manipulation is nothing but inducement. So liquidity inducement, nothing but stop loss hunting. When it takes place, when this takes place, you can go for a buy. And after that, you can see it started moving up 1 or 2, 3, 4 candles, and this range was above 1375. The price went up to 1386 and 1389 and 1391.5. 1391.5. So this also above this range. So manipulation taken place above this range. Then you can look for the sell to this. So here it started with the red candle. So it will end with it started with the red candle and it ended with you have to see for ending with the red candle. So it ended with the red candle and this range expansion. We can make out range expansion and range expansion to the upside. Range expansion to the upside. So price came below this range. Below this range, 3 candles, and price, there is a manipulation of this green candle pushing below this level and it started moving. And again, the range has come to this level, to the level of 1341. Once the manipulation, it may come like this, green candle, and it can manipulate it is possible to manipulate this level. Then inducement will take place. Then you can look for selling opportunity in this, selling opportunity in this. In this way, inducement, see, liquidity was injected into the market. Injected means attracted the buyers and ping pong started. It trapped the sellers and then it went up and trapped these. It went above this range and inducement took place and it started coming. So this is how liquidity injection and inducement takes place in the market when it is in a range. Then you can see for the range expansion. So this range expansion, when I moved it, range expanded to this level, expanded to downside level. Now we have to see, this is the range. When inducement takes place at this level, around 1348 to, it may even go up to this level. So if it goes to that level, then a sell-off can come in this range. So like this, liquidity injection inducement takes place in the market when there is sideways movement in the market. That is engaging buyers and sellers in the market. So this is a case study of on the daily time frame. I'm showing it to you. It is fractal. It can be seen in even in the smaller time frame also. Let us go to that smaller time frame. Is it possible to see Nifty index? We'll study Nifty 50. Okay. Okay, let me go to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes reset chart. Here you can see this is the fall, 1, 2, 3, 4 fall, liquidity injected into the injection, and there is no manipulation. Here you can see the manipulation over here. No, we are not seeing any manipulation. Yeah, here also. Yes, you can see in this range, you can see the manipulation here. When you see the manipulation, you drag this. Now, price came down, inducement took place. So buy side, you can think of it. Now, in this range, this was the inducement. This is the manipulation. When price manipulated this area, again, there was a huge fall and liquidity has been induced. Okay. This is the reason why I took the trade yesterday. See, the range was manipulated here. So let me zoom it out. You can see price has been manipulated. Inducement took place. When inducement took place, so The range was here. This is the inducement. So you can look for the sell. Now, after 1, 2, 3, 4 fall, you can see a green candle. That is an injection. Injection. If I drag, it started with red candle, it ended with a red candle. And this was the manipulation, inducement. When inducement takes place, manipulation takes place, you can go for ping pong, buy. It started with green candle, it will end with, you have to see for ending with the green candle. So you can see the range expansion. And there is inducement. So you can see for the sell in the market. It came down. Now, this is the range. There is no manipulation here. Range has been, if you drag this, range will go like this. So price is ping-ponging within this range. This is how liquidity, injection, and inducement. Inducement means manipulation. This is the manipulation. When you see the manipulation, you can go for buying. Here, this is the manipulation in this area. That's why it started gapping up, and this is the manipulation of this range, inducement, and then price came down. It got manipulated by this, and the buy, that is an inducement, manipulation of this range, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again price came back, and here you can see inducement. Green candle, green candle coming below the red candle, and this is the range trade. So when price start moving like this is an imbalance. Imbalance means straight away move, and price is ping-ponging within the range. So we have to see for the range expansion, if the price has to move up, we have to see for the range expansion. Range expansion, either above this or below this, then a sell-off or a buy can occur in the market. This happens on and on, even in the fractal also. Let us see any other examples of big bonds. Let me go to Voltas. Voltas stock. I'll go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. See, after a huge sell-off, liquidity has been injected, and also inducement is also there in this candle. Inducement is also there in this candle, and the range is here. Suppose if the price starts moving above this range, and there will be an inducement. When the inducement takes place, the price will start ping-ponging. It starts coming down. It will do ping-pongs. So you have to extend the range. Then if it starts moving up, then price will start going up. For example, even in the Nifty also, Nifty daily time frame, I'll show it to you. See, No, I'm not clearly seeing this. Anyway, I hope you understood. You can see the fall, 3, 4, 5 candle, liquidity has been injected, and this was the range, manipulation, inducement above this range, and this was the manipulation below this red candle, inducement, and price started moving up, and it came into the range, and this was an inducement. If you start moving the range down, this range started coming down like this. Range started expanding down. So you can make out where the direction of this ping pong will take place. In this way, it came down and it started moving up. This happens in the market when market goes sideways. You can see the ping pongs over here also in this area, ping pong. After 1, 2, 3 candles up, you can see ping pongs and price moving in an upward direction. I hope you understand the liquidity injection and how inducement takes place. Here also you can see manipulation over here and manipulation beneath this, and the range expansion, price started moving up. Here also, after this fall, price is ping-ponging remote. So this is a small manipulation beneath this level, and this is the range. So if there is a manipulation above this range, inducement takes place. Inducement takes place. Then you can look for the sell to the 16,168 is the upper range. You can look for the sell. So till now, any liquidity has not been injected, but buyers and sellers have been introduced into the market. It's dozy, no green candle has come. So ping pong, we cannot say ping pong has started over here. Anyway, we can wait for it. Thank you, friends. Nalinakshi Swami. I hope you understand. It needs a lot of chart reading to understand this liquidity injection and inducement. For the liquidity injection, there should be a 3 candle, continuous candle fall, 3 to as a thumb rule, 3 or 4 candles fall. Then you can see for the inducements, injection as well as inducement, and also you can trade how to trade the ping pongs. Okay,